Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and basically in this video I will show you how to install printer ink in the Canon Pixma MX490. Let's get started. So first, what you do is press the power button. Now it's on. After you turn it on, you pull this latch down. You see those things moving? Those are the ink cartridges. Now, you wait for it until it gets to the middle. Alright, so say you want to replace the black first. So what you do is you push that down and you pull it out. I don't have a new ink cartridge, but here, when you get an ink cartridge, a new one, there's like tape down here. So you take that tape out, and after you take that tape out, you just put the new one in. So you push it up like that, and you push it in. The same thing for the color ink. You push it down, and you take it out. This is the color ink now. The same thing for the new one. So I don't have a new one, this is the old one. So if I get my new one, again, the new one has a tape on. You pull that tape off, and after you pull the tape off, you just put it back in there. You push it up, and you push it in. Now, your ink cartridges are in the printer. Now you pull that latch back up, and push it in. There you go, guys. You've just put your ink cartridges in the printer. Thanks guys for watching this video. If you want more tutorial videos like this, then make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you're new. Thank you guys.